Hello my pretties, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my DIY candle holders. What you're going to need is a vase, you'll need some painter's tape, some glue, a paintbrush to spread the glue, and then glitter. Alright, let's get started. So our next step is taking the painter's tape and putting it right down the middle. So we'll tape it to the side here at the top, and then we'll push firmly down so it's in the middle, like that. And then just make sure it sticks. There we go. Okay, so the next step is adding the glue. So we'll just take some of the glue and pour it in. Perfect. And then we're gonna swirl it around. But then we're also gonna take our paintbrush here and spread it evenly around the outside here. There we go. All right, that's looking pretty good. You can see it's all spread out in there. All right, so the next fun part is the glitter. You get to add the glitter. So we'll just take our vase, the glue side, and we'll put the glitter in. Should be good. And then we'll just swirl it around so it stays on the glue parts. All right. So one trick I do is I cup the outside so the glitter doesn't go everywhere. And then we'll just kind of swirl it around. I think that's looking pretty good. Let's get some more spots like that. Make sure you get the bottom. All right. Okay, so once it's dry, we're just gonna take the tape off. So we'll just pull that and pull all the way down. Kind of messy. There we go. And then what we're gonna do is there's some that fall into the other side. So we're just gonna take a Kleenex here. I've put some water on it. And then we're just gonna wipe around the excess glitter that's not affixed to the glue. So we'll just do that. All right, so it looks pretty good. What we're gonna do is add our tea light now. There we go, and we'll just place it gently inside. Show you what it looks like in the dark.